Hi guys, my name's Sean from Concept and welcome to another Ask the Professor. And in today's Ask the Professor, we're going to be taking a look and reviewing some of the faster moving products from the Xpert 60 range. So this week we're going to be taking a look at the Xpert 60 Nano Shampoo and Conditioner. So let's see what it does. Xpert 60 Nano Shampoo and Conditioner is an highly concentrated shampoo which contains waxes to obviously fast track the drying side of the cleaning process. So it will give you an eye visual impact from a dirt repellency and water repellency perspective. So let's put it to the test. So what we're looking for with the dilution rate is we're looking to see how quickly the product starts to break on the glass. It's easier to test area on the glass because the reaction is a lot quicker. So looking at this, one capful in about 8 litres of water. Bear in mind the product is a very, very low foaming product. It's splitting quite well on the glass. So 30 millilitres in 5 litres of water is a rough guide to a dilution rate. So there you've got it guys, you've actually seen the products applied, you've seen the results. If you've got any comments about the products we've actually used, put them in the comment section below. If you like it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to see the next available video, obviously click on the link in the right hand corner, and we'll see you very, very soon for another Ask the Professor.